there and good evening. My name is Hinda and welcome to my channel. So today I want to show you some of the stuff that I've been working on. As you can tell, it's mostly amigurumi. I have a few other stuff and some knitting machine projects. So let's get started. The thing that I've made most recently are ducklings. And I've made it in all kinds of different yarns and different sizes. So here's this traditional yellow and orange one. I made a smaller and a different kind of yarn, this kind of blueberry flavored one. I have this tiny little one, so cute. And a pink and brown one, which I just finished working on just now. And last but not least, this blue and gray one. So I've got a whole army of ducklings over here and I just can't stop making them. I want to make a bunch more in those gorgeous new colors that I got. It's such a delicious yarn and I can't wait to use it more and more stuff. Next, I made a few birdies. This is also one of my favorite projects. I made blue and pink, very cute and very sweet. I love the little beak that they have. Comes out so cute and they're so easy to make. I made the little feet on the bottom and just so sweet. And I made also these two little birdies over here with this velvety yarn. Also came out absolutely adorable. Then I made these little chickens. I had a little bit of this white yarn. So I made two little ones. So cute. And of course, one of my favorite amigurumi projects is a donut. So I had to make it also with this velvety yarn. Very delicious. Then I have this flower. I still need to tuck in those ends. Very easy and it comes out really nice. I'm thinking about making like a bunch and then attaching some kind of like wire or something, and then it could be in a nice vase to be a little decoration. And I made a little tiny blueberry. Well, it looks tiny, but compared to a real blueberry it's actually pretty big, but it's very cute. Then I have this cow that I made. It's a mint chocolate flavored, you know, when you have like ice cream that's like mint and it has chocolate chips in it. So that's basically the inspiration for the colors on this one, and it came out really cute. The only thing is the ears look a little bit too big. I think next time I make one with this pattern, and of course you can be sure I'm going to make more of these, I'm going to make the ears just a little bit shorter. I think that'll be a nice little improvement. Maybe also push it a bit forward, or the horns, maybe put them like more over here. I'm not sure, but this one is cute anyway. I've also been working on a Shabbat kit that I developed. So I have, well, you see it actually backwards, but it says Shabbat in Hebrew. This is a challah cover. Then of course I made the two challahs. They're so cute. And a kiddush cup filled to the brim with grape juice, and a plate for the kiddush cup with a little splash of grape juice on there because it always spills over. Oops. There we go. And the bottle of grape juice to fill it up. So this is my Shabbat kit. I was also working on a pattern for a Torah, a little stuffed Torah. So cute with the little crown. I made it in these colors, and I made another one in other colors, which also came out nice. This crown came out a little bit neater. As I go along, I see how to do it to make it look the best. So there's the first try, and then there's a second try, and etc. until you get it to looking just right. So that's what I have for my amigurumi projects of these past few weeks. Now let's get into the other stuff. So on the knitting machine, I made a few things. Number one, this striped hat. It came out very nice. I made 2 rows of each color all the way through, changing colors. You could see, where is it? Here, you could see the color changes. That's like the rows where I switched off the colors, so you could kind of see that, but it's okay if you put it in the back, you don't see it that much. And it came out absolutely gorgeous. It's really, really nice. I really like it. Then with these same 2 colors, I made this checkerboard blanket. And I have a tutorial out for that if you're interested in that. It came out really nice. I would love to make a full-size blanket out of it. Then going on the checkerboard design, I found a different kind of design which is similar to checkerboard, but a bit different, makes it a little bit more interesting. I just made a little sample to see how it would look, and I basically made each color 10 rows of each color, and wanted to see how it looks together, and it looks very, very nice. I would love to see like a whole blanket out of this design. Comes out very nice. And then I made this cushion cover. So these ones I made flat panels on the knitting machine, one in blue and one in pink, and then attached it together all around onto the cushion. It didn't come out the neatest, but it's okay, and it looks nice and I love it. Then I have these shawls that I made. It came out so nice. It's very simple and easy. It's plain crochet, single crochet stitch all along. It's just with the color changes and this velvety yarn makes it look so nice and neat. I still need to sew in the ends, although it makes a nice little tassel, but since this yarn it sheds at the end, so I don't want to make it into a tassel, so I'm just going to sew in those ends. But it came out really nice. And this is actually an order from someone, and they ordered 2. So I made 2. When it's rolled up, it looks like a nice little chocolate cake. So those are the stuff that I have for now. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you next time. All the best.